guys fam, welcome back to my channel and today's video back with Boxycharm for this month. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here is the box. Yes, it is open. I can't wait. As soon as I receive, I open and see what I got, because this time I did not choose any item. Whatever I got. So this is the card and it says sweet treats, so maybe this is the their theme. So first thing first, I got this unicorn dust and I will tell you the prices, everything together towards the end. So this is the Unicorn Diaries and Trend Beauty, and let's open. So this is the highlighter. Let me remove the plastic. So this is the highlighter. I don't know if you can see it properly. So this is the 3 highlighters: Fantasy, Mystical, Dreamer, and it also has a mirror. So the next thing which I see is Jubilee palette, Natasha Denona. Wow, Natasha Denona is expensive, guys. So this is what I received. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So it has black, pink, yellow, gold kind of, and these 2 are matte and rest of them are like shiny, shimmery kind. So this is what I got. So the next thing which I got is this, and this is Dragon Beauty, and this is color corrector in lavender. I don't think so I can use lavender. This is how it is. Anyway, moving on to the next item, and this one is Terre de Mars. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, and if I'm not, sorry. Gel Netoyan Corporal Reddition. It's a body cleanser. Yes, we can use this. And this is Cosmos Organic, 150 ml, 5.07 fluid ounce. Last thing is this, and this is pretty, and this is Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect, and it says Pretty Fitter. Yes, and this is it gives a rich hydration with instant cool down effect. So I was looking for the word hydration to see if it's going to suit my skin, because I have dry skin. Okay, so let me quickly tell you the prices. So the Jubilee eyeshadow palette, which is this one, is $48. Then the primer, this one is, if you buy, is $32. And then Dragon Beauty color corrector is this one, and this is $25. And Trend Beauty Unicorn Dust, which is this one, it is for $12.50. And Terre de Mars, which I was hardly able to pronounce, which is this one, it is body cleanser, it is for $22. So this is what I got in my Boxycharm for this month, April. So guys, this was it. I hope you like this video, and please comment below. Let me know what you want to see in my channel, and please follow me on all my social media links. And guys, I'm on TikTok nowadays. I'm trying out, so go follow me there. The link is down below, but it's the same, Nev's Lifestyle. And let me know your comments. How I'm doing it is just, I'm still trying and learning. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.